Everything took place. Where I see when the vehicle drift to the side, and by the time I see the vehicle drift, I see it climb the island, freak over 3 times. All of us going that way. Man, I tell you, it was a terrible sight. Trust me. So, and because I Swiss everybody in that vehicle. I stop the vehicle now and run out now. I realize, say, I still not take time. I come out of the vehicle and say, thank God, they don't know dead.
Several persons injured in terrifying highway crash in St. Catherine. Homeowner chops intruder who allegedly entered house claiming to be a cop. Firearm, ammunition seized in Trench Town, men in custody. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Several people were rushed to the hospital on Sunday morning after a single vehicle accident on the east-west leg of Highway 2000 in St. Catherine. It is understood that about 7 a.m., the driver of a black BMW motorcar was on the highway heading towards Spanish Town when he lost control of the vehicle, which then crashed into a median. An armed man purporting to be a policeman was trapped several times after he allegedly entered a businessman's home in Canaan, St. James, Sunday morning. The suspect is under police guard at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in the Western Parish. Reports are that the man went to the shopkeeper's home at about 12:30 a.m. and knocked on the door, seeing police. The homeowner reportedly peeked through a window and saw the man standing at his door with a gun. More details to come following further investigations. 2 men are now in custody after a team of officers assigned to the Kingston Western Police Division seized one illegal firearm along with 35 rounds of ammunition during an operation on Sunlight Street, Trench Town, Kingston 12 on Sunday, March 5. Their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. Reports from the Denham Town Police are that about 3:20 p.m., lawmen were in the area when a premises occupied by 2 men was searched. During the search, 1 Taurus pistol and 35 9mm rounds of ammunition were found.